and I said, no, this is getting behind the job. I said, do him. You know, I got to tell him for go suck that blood clot body, but me no go back on the internet crazy. Me no depend this nobody crazy. Me no. Me say, all right, since I you know blood clot go on it, I forgot left me all over again. Cause me, you see the piece of light you have, I just run out of the blood clot room and left me say me. Marry you for better for blood clot worse. So if me you have something out at airport and people are gonna take it to another, me I got turn against blood clot them and I go in the kitchen and sit all up. I mean, I'm there crazy nobody that the worst blood clotting you could have tell me. Not call me a blood clot crazy because you not defend yourself. Me, Janice, Sinister, with all my blood clot, mama shame. Yeah, but me see up on Instagram, I tell people for come. I say I don't give a shit when nobody wants say, ma'am. Me now make them ride me like a ass and take away my energy. When people deal with you like that, I song and think I say, Jesus Christ, I that tall up just said, Jesus. Tall up, discriminate me. Jesus Christ, you pop down like blood clot. You say, tall up! What? Man! If you be a blood clot like that, you don't care about what tall up say, because you give back tall up for those. Move your blood clot. That's the logic.
But all right, Queenie, all right, you see? Right these days, you see, oh, you get me really like, come it easy for at me, I'm easy for drain like certain energy, you know. You see, oh, you get me really pissed off, you have to really tip on me too, you know, like you have to drain me up, like you have to really say something or do something. When me really, like, all right, you see, we not to do like something like that now, I'm gonna say, yo, Bill, now you see, you're still in comeback, because sometimes you have to do that, devil, you know, so you have to really.
Yes, the spiritual warfare
is
out there.
It's a spiritual thing, you know. So you know, sometimes you can't just stay so because I devil, you know, you have to rebuke him. So you have to really retaliate in a one way upon people more while for them love
Thank you,
steady, you know. Because you see if you don't do that. You see, when you do that, you just cut the ear. You don't have to fight, you just react and cut and clear the energy,
in the
you know.
name of Jesus,
and that me do, you know, you just cut and clear the energy, you know, because you just see what coming and you feel it arising. You just act out of the norm, you know, you just defend yourself or just say something, you know, man. You just let go the energy where you feel, you know.
You see that rebuking and cut and clear them. Somebody just said, God. These people are so negative and dumb. The only thing in life when I wake up a morning time and now for ball fight is God, because He's with all of us. You know, if you not acknowledge that you need God, or you acknowledge that me need God, but
exactly.
I got keep me going morning with all our my face on the internet in my house all up. You think if it wasn't a God, I would be here talking to you so dry and now I'm up depressed and drained and I them run water.
Exactly.
God do that. The same people mouth, the same people that were cross the stone after my husband. They said, do it. You see me? Me now sit down and make nobody fight my wedding, my husband, and tell me about my life. So if you want to sit down, you know what? Me the old I go up on the internet long time do it. Me send my pussy and me still stand up on blood clot them when them are looking at pussy. So you see, no, me are the aga, you are the quiet blood clot when I use a man.
But it complement each other. One have to, it can't, two person can't flare up. That's why you want to do it much because your personality complement.
But let's call up him, tell him if you go up on the internet and draw down him pants and tell him, so all what talk about me and my wife, when you come suck out my battle, make them see the dirty blood clot, man, they about But as me said, him not
go do that, him not go come out in character, opposite attract. Him have to did if he calm you have to did if he defend him when people take step at him. That's just how it goes. Because you are the outspoken one, just like
me. The bully and the ag and the aggressive motherfucker.
Yeah, you are the one where you know say you have to stand up for him. Because enough man is no, you see enough man are not soft, they ain't soft, you know. Them does not have that spirit they like me and you. Me and you have fighting spirit. Me you have one spirit when not normal.
But Mr. Medan feel just relax the right way. I just say do make me go married back again. Cause the man deal with the thing so good. When me look back in the web. I'm ignorance it all up. I want to fight him. It's when everything calm down, I'm going to review it back. I said, John no star. You see, you like this, with all them composure and don't make acts.
People, peer pressure. Don't take peer pressure. It really good for you. Really know for real. Cause the internet and a safe place. Me and you know when them ready for people.
Like, hear them not tile up. Our public stun me and do it though. Me say, I want them think so when you get followers, extra followers, you get paid. Me have 160,000 followers, but me lose 240. But away from that, me have more than where you see count for me internet.
Yeah,
So
Jazzy
that's
say man no normally cause Jazzy a liar till you have some
and
blood
I look on
clot man.
Jazzy.
You have some man
Jazzy,
with
me have one baby
PSP.
father. Where they tell up? Me have one baby father will give me 5 pitney. Let me want to see a dance there. In my security guard, I ain't got enough people see him. And no know that blood clot. One Sunday, the man take me, when the man running out the house and me run over the car and I come road to him and him stay so I told me when Tamika lift him up and take him out and him go to the door and the man just drop him blood clot pants him ankle. I said, Jay, come suck up my battle, my baby father. I'm trying to know about dirty blood clot man at Jamaica. When man class woman, it's hotter than when woman class. I like me tell
No,
up.
me there with my feisty and me if me never feisty, I just show my more bad man. Yo, we already say something.
If do it
more
ever say something to me, we do it. If do it ever come out of character and say something to me, dead.
You see the man with the one job when I talk and just give
Do
the one
it.
job them.
Do it.
Them are the wickedest
Let's
that bunny.
Call up. Me tell do it 200 blood clots something and do it just say.
One
More fire
stick
some
up.
man, more fire some beside me and just that alone we do it say to me. Me shut up and vex.
I just want something then can tell you say.
It's
And it
anytime
can
you
be your
say,
own
it's
style.
when him say, you know, the next thing when my husband say, we kill me when him say, I can't deal with this, you know, me no want this. See me, all I know is when me I make no, be quiet now, see me, what is this do? What name this? Me no want this, you know, crazy, me can't deal with this. That kill blood clot me, all up. So, the one line that them, they do have effects. So you would want that man for 2 to 2 with you and tell her the big dirty blood clot, get a slack, shit them in it. Away ask the man. Remember one boat ride to keep a England with one man name. I remember what my name. I may tell a Versace boat ride at England. Them time on the internet not about a DVD. I mean everybody ready for buy the DVD. The boy mouth bad.
Look not about man because look how much of them are selector we fucking
don't mind them.
Look for all look how much of the selector them we mouth so bad do not say man we alive. I look much of them are selected we so feisty and full of chat and they sit there and fucking can class people.
Me I look for them. You have man where Miss Jane, where Miss Liza, them trace more than blood clot. Woman, it no mean to say them. Them just defenseless on the chat shit on the fucking ears. I need for doing the research of life when it comes to humanity. I know we see where people give. You have some man who are gunman and them do orders and some man them don't even act blood clot feminist and man ram them out left, right and blood clot.
Can't judge.
Nobody can.
Them don't know about them one. Them don't know about them one day.
They know, you know. They just like to live in denial.
Yeah.
Nobody know about who, not nobody do unless you actually did it. And you can't say you witness blood clot. You witness it or you see it on camera. One can't come join a little allegation. Someone can't even turn blood clot caramel. Someone don't even have a little flour if you need it and bake it in the Dutch pot without oil. So when you don't have no flour to bake like a blood clot dumping, you don't want to tell people them deeds. But really, it's just illiteracy and broadness because if you don't have something to do, and you're not broke, on order the people place that type. Hungry them, hungry not all.
I'm not lying.
Hungry them blood clot, hungry